OBDII module plugs into the car. Permanent cabling, temporary alligator or outlet, weatherproof, IP rated for charging batteries, trickle charging and more. A small solar grid for your off-grid, automobile, RV, boats, and more for trickle charge long term. We're going to demonstrate and show you briefly what this product is about. From the provider, AWW NDD MPPT solar panel for the OBDII reader comes nicely packaged and protected. It has alligator clips, the OBDII module, and suction cups and more with the instruction manual and the solar panel. You're going away long term and you want to keep your battery trickle charged, that it does not run down, and have the car in the sun, placed in the rear window or front window or side window or underneath the sunroof. This has a special dedicated plugs, a panel on the back collecting sun. As the sun hits it, you see the purple light up and the amount of amperage and voltage shown. 21.2 as producing 0.00 amperage. And then you have the buttons to press and change in the different modes and the charging indicator of a 12-volt battery and so forth. Setting up is as simple as taking each of the suction cup, unscrewing, place into the bottom and lock down correctly. Repeat for the other 3 eye holes. Choosing your connection, unravel the cord. If we're choosing alligator clips, unplug and place in correctly. Positive, positive, negative, negative. Connect the leads, nice wide opening area, to the battery terminal or light bulb batteries for charging. If going into a car, we have the OBDII reader up to a 16-pin 3-pin that simply plugs into the connector and then to the car. Or we could plug directly to the terminals of a battery or run to a 12-volt socket simply by removing, unplugging the connector, and placing in. Charge via the cigarette lighter, directly to the battery, on the battery permanent, or in the car's OBDII module. This is a 12-watt, 0.1 amp trickle, 18 volt, 20 plus volts of output of your unit with the 20 plus gauge wiring, with 3 different ways of charging with a LiPo, lithium, regular battery, 4 different types. That is the mode button that you'll switch over to charge those batteries by choosing the one you desire. The voltage and the amperage will be shown with the protective circuitry for low light. Place in the car, angle, and ready to set up. Let's go to the car and show you a demonstration. It may take a couple of tries to get the suction cup to a higher, as we're demonstrating on the outside of the window. Place on the window and do your best to firmly a higher. You may spread apart the cables for connection. Make sure negative goes to negative of the terminal. With the panel facing into the sun, we're turning our panel around, and when in the sun, we need to choose a mode. We hit the mode, 12 volt AGM in green, life, LiPo, fault. We're on 12 volt, 19 volt, trickle charging. As it faces to the sun and collects more power, We're at 22 volts, 0.00 amperage, charging trickle. And when the sun starts to hit in the area, we have LiPo batteries that we can set up as well and charge. Make sure the terminals are solid and on for charging. In low light conditions, we don't have enough power to charge. We allow the unit to hit the sun and we choose LiPo battery and fully charge. These are just some of the ways you can use the solar trickle charger to charge your batteries. A car, a boat, an RV, a camper, off-grid battery, LiPos, life, and more. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in a solar charger, 12 watt, 24 volt, 18 volt current for your trickle charging at 0.15 amp. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.